Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. First, you will need to go into TikTok. Once in the app, you want to tap on your profile in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner and select Settings and Privacy. What I would recommend you do normally to edit your privacy settings, you would go into privacy right here and you would see the options on how you can edit your privacy, for example downloads or so on, and how you can connect it. But what I would recommend you do is come out of that and you're going to scroll down, and from here you're going to tap on digital well-being and you're going to tap on restricted mode, and you want to ensure that it is turned off. Next, I would recommend, if you're still having the problem, you scroll down and you tap on report a problem right here, and from here you can simply type in the problem. You can type in privacy, and if you see it's still not coming up, for example you see this coming up, you can simply tap on no. Why is privacy settings becoming a sticker? As you can see right there, you can tap on no, then tap on need more help, and from here you can simply screenshot the message that you keep on getting and paste it right here and tap on report, and normally TikTok would get back to you. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.